front of me is REALME P3 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. I got a lot of questions in the comments about refresh rate of this REALME, so I tested it before recording to show you exactly how to change it. First of all, go into settings and tap on display and brightness right away. Now all you need to do is scroll all the way down to click on screen refresh rate at the bottom. Now to apply the best one for you, you need to click on it. And when you're ready, go back. So when I do that, as you can see, screen refresh rate of my REALME has changed. Quick tip, I always go for auto select for the best optimal use of refresh rate and because it saves my battery power. If you will set up high, you will notice that your device is draining much faster. Just something to keep in mind. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!